Dignitaries, principals, supervisors, and all my dear brothers and sisters. A very good morning to all of you. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On this occasion of Republic Day, I wish you all a wonderful, prosperous, and peaceful 2023. On this occasion of Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January 1950. Today, we all are here to celebrate 74th Republic Day of our nation. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The great Indian freedom fighters and Indian leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Tipu Sultan, Maulana Asad Mohani, countless. They fight against British to make India a free country. The history of an Indian national movement would be incomplete without mentioning the contribution of Indian Muslim women. Azhari Begum, Begum Azad Meher, Sakina Lukmani, Nishat Unnisa, Meher Daj, etc. Muslims have contributed massively in India's freedom movement. Dear attendees, Republic means the supreme power of people living in this country, and only public has right to elect their representative as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. Dear attendees and dignitaries, those who laid their lives for Indians first and Hindus or Muslims later. Tragically, more than 6 decades later, peoples have forgotten this important aspect of our freedom struggle and try to show only one side of this great struggle. Dear attendees and dignitaries, now I would like to conclude my speech with these lines. What a beautiful India! Andhra Pradesh for duty, Kashmir for beauty, Kerala for brains, Tamil for green, Assam for tea, Maharashtra for mangoes. It's our nation, I call it incredible India. Wassalam Allah.